Hi everyone! As you're now well aware, information is stored in different application contexts, a product or library for example, if you have Windchill PDM link, a project or program if you have Windchill project link. So who has access to information stored in an application context? To see a product or a library and the data it contains, you need to be part of its context team. A context team is a collection of roles mapped to end users, like you and me. Anyone associated to a role gets a set of permissions, allowing him to do his work. Let me show you how this is set up and how to check who you and your colleagues are in a given context. Let's open the navigation pane. Let me choose a context, break disks, for example. Now click on Team. A team is nothing more than a collection of roles. There are 3 roles you will always find in each context: the context manager, members, and guests. Let us start with the product manager. The product manager has all the rights available in Windchill for this context. Click on the plus icon to check who is associated to that role. Then you see a list of custom roles like purchasing or test engineers. Roles give users a set of access control so that they can interact with objects according to their abilities. You could very well belong to more than one role. Guest is a standard role, allowing people to view data in that context. But read access is all they have. They will never be able to edit a document, for example. Finally, I would like to point out the members role. Members includes all the users mapped to roles in this context team, except guests. You can see that no one seems to be part of the members role in my case. In reality, every role but the guests are members though. Here, you also have the ability to assign someone to the members role without being part of another role. You can see who is a member by changing the view to members. In my case, several different groups are members. If the team contains a long list of roles, you can filter the information in the members table to spot the information you are looking for more easily by changing the view like we've done already. For example, imagine your colleague is unable to see the product context you're currently exploring. You could pick the All People view and quickly check if this colleague is part of the team. He probably isn't. Go back to local team roles and members and check who the guests are. As a guest, we have the RIMS engineer group, for example. Now let's go back to the view members. You can see that the guest RIMS engineer group is excluded from the members list as they are just part of the guests role. That's it for today. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next session of Windchill Shots.